At RAC we really wanted to find some young people, figure out what their ideas would be to have a space in their own town centre, and then work with them on co-designing those ideas and then giving them the chance to get on the tools and actually create it.
Getting young people involved from the start and actually listening to their ideas and taking their ideas on board is really important to have projects like this succeed within communities.
We have lots of young people that come through this street every day, so designing it for us was really important.
It feels like I'm doing my part for the community, and yeah, it just makes me feel a lot better.
Most of our kayak young people, like Kwinana Youth Advisory young people and community members came together for 2 days for idea generation and then project planning.
You guys want to paint it? Yeah. So you almost have there's what, 2 poles holding up that roof?
For the triangle ones, there's 2, and then for this one, there's 3.
Yeah.
To actually have spaces within the bigger space which the young people have created is vitally important in having them actually feel like they own the space as much as anybody else.
I've got Richard here. He's here to answer any building questions we have.
Wishing well.
Yeah. And then the idea would be on the well, they would have a little area that they could sort of pull out where they would get the coins and then...
Okay.
And then on the start of the 3rd day, tools out, let's start making it happen.
So this area here is the arcade.
Having areas such as the arcade for the young people when they finish school to come through and actually stop, socialise, connect.
We've spray painted all across this path here the name of the place to kind of start entering people into the area.
What I love most about the project is actually working with the youth. They're so grateful to be involved and yeah, their enthusiasm is fantastic.
We spray painted lots of different hexagons onto the ping pong table as well, and this will be open to all the young people in the community to use. Everything we did ourselves, all the hexagons, the seating, and it was a really cool opportunity to learn how to use all those different materials as well.
I have absolutely had the best time getting to having conversations with people and just getting a sense of feeling like I belong.
My biggest highlight was learning how to do the spray painting. It was a really cool opportunity to work with Sam, the artist who got involved with all the young people.
We're going to go for a walk and look at each of the projects. We're going to thank the project teams that worked on that project. RAC, they donated to the Makeover budget, so a big round of applause for them. Not only that, they followed it up by sending teams of people down here during the week to help with the makeover, and that was just an absolute rescue job for us. This zone that you're seeing here, and another one up the far end of the street, was created by the young people, was part of the youth element of this project. This used to be just a thoroughfare, now it's the youth arcade.
RAC, for the better.